Pakistani and what Mr. Pakistan at the I'll teach you how you can make a clap control home automation. Show your table. First, this is a clap control automation. I am making an automation system. When you clap, your home appliances turn on by your clap. This time I am using DC appliance. You can use AC/DC bottom appliance. It will work. First, this is a power vent, power in the Arduino. This is a sound sensor, and there are these one channel relay module, and which are driving this power supply via this bulb via this DC power supply. This is a DC lamp. You can use AC lamp with AC power supply, but I am giving a demo with DC power supply because just for safety reasons. Now, first just connections. Show the connection. This first module is outputting analog and digital output. We connectly use digital output connected to Arduino analog 0 pin connected to a sensor output in which is a digital output. And sensor 5 volt is connected to Arduino 5 volt, Arduino ground to sensor ground, and Arduino 5 volt also connected to the relay channel, relay 1 channel, single channel 5 volt, and relay ground to the module ground to the ground of the Arduino, and pin digital 13 is the output of the Arduino, which is connected to a relay signal input pin, and relay common pin is connected to the one terminal of the power supply, no matter AC or DC. Positive and negative is not matter, it will connect one terminal goes to the power supply, AC or DC both will work, and other goes to a load, and load other terminal is also connected to power supply. This time we can use AC load with AC power supply, DC load with DC power supply. This is load, and this is DC power supply. And later I show a code. And right now I adjust this potentiometer in such a way of the sensor. It will not sense any other sound. It will only sense a clap sound, meaning it will not only sense a clap sound, it will sense any sound but with eye level sound. Right now I set on the minimum middle in the potentiometer, so right now it will only be sensed in the large in eye level of sound. Low level sound or noise, it will not be picked out. So that is a problem. When you then make this project, always need to adjust, very sensitively adjust. It will not pick the side noise. Otherwise it will automatically trigger your load with low noise. That's why it will, you can make, if you over limit, meaning it will, you can have more sound, so it will near 50-50 ratio, which means it is not too high or not too low sensing point. Sensing point is always set in middle in this process, otherwise it will not work. Now it's time to clapping test and then see loads are working or not. I close the both things away so you can see at the same time. On, and next time it will be turned off. And this thing you can try again and again, and then you can turn on your home appliances up to 1 amp of turn. Because this relay cannot handle too much turn. You can use separate relay, which can drive these relay and drive separate relay, and you can use bigger load by your turn on your clap. And keep in mind, always use resistive load, not an inductive load. Now one more try, and then try with AC mains. One more try. On, off. Now pause. Now I set this same thing again by this 220 bulb. They were connected the same way. Just 220 bulb, one wire is connected to extension board, other wire is connected to a relay, other wire is connected to an extension board. And I use halogen bulb. You can use any Tennison halogen, any bulb in under watt, not more than 100 watt, otherwise it will burn the relay. And this time all this circuit is live. Do not touch in anything. On, and now it's then one more time to turn off, on, again, and once off, and we can explain a little bit. There's a power bank which I use the power bank. This time we can use charger isolation SMP power supply to power them, because I did not recommend we can use power supply, because this time it still relay or insulator, but there's chance high voltage and low voltage side are relay is chance to fail because due to load, and there's chance to flow high voltage flow low voltage side, and it will damage you. Never touch anywhere in the circuit. This circuit is totally live. So let's remove the lead. Yes. Now I will show you. Now this circuit is remove the first line, and now I show how it's connected. This one wire is connected to extension board right here, and which wire is connected to a relay one terminal, which is a common terminal in this case, and normally open terminal is connected to a bulb, and bulb other terminal is connected to a socket. So you can use common between normally open or a normally closed system, because if you connect a normally closed, then it will normal condition bulb will turn on, when you collapse your bulb will turn off. So that's why always use common. Is also common is always used, and common with normally open terminal, which is marked underneath there in the relay. Common, center common, and normally open, and no terminal, not an. And this video then the next video. By the way, you can try this, but same way using DC load. Never try with mains AC power. And this video then the next video. We now explain the code. So there are website. Which website is? You can find this code. This website I will link in the description of the video. So there is a create Arduino CC project hub, and like that you can see there the website. The which website you can find this code of this integer or int sound sensor pin A0. So sound sensor nothing a pin number analog 0, and integer relay pin it was 13 pin, which means relay pin at 13 pin. Int clap 0, long duration range starts 0, long duration range 0, starts light false. White setup pin mode input pin sensor pin is input, and pin mode relay pin is output, and there is a void loop. In status sensors digital read, meaning this sensors read digital digital output for sensor. If status equals 0, or if clap is 0, the range starts, range mills clap. If else 8, I mean greater than, if greater than 0, and mills range 50, and then start like that. So first it's output. First when sensor analog pin is connected A0, and digital pin 13 is output. So it first sends the sensor pin is input pin, and the relay pin is output pin, and first it's digital read the sensor input, sound sensor input. If sound status is 0, then, or if 0, then this will repeat this process. If clap value is greater than 0, meaning if sensor value is more than 0, like a 1, then it will further output turn on output load I, the 13 pin number I, otherwise it will low. And this is what small little toad is, and you can find this toad in my video description. This video can be the message to be well.